Today is my birthday.
Today is my birthday and
How old are you?
Go in the kitchen.
7.
7. Go in the kitchen. Mommy's got you a present. Here
All the
comes
way in
Mommy.
the kitchen. Put that on that chair and go in the kitchen.
You gotta wrap them?
Yeah.
Still have to wrap the presents. Here comes Brad. Hi, Brad. How old are you, Brad?
What?
How old are you? 4?
How long is it going to take to get this ready?
Dad, Dad.
Hey, Dad.
Dad, Dad, Dad. Dad, Dad, Dad. Say Dad, 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 Dad. Say Dad, Dad, Dad.